I have two car batteries here. One of these is bad. I'm going to be replacing one of these shortly. This battery reads 12.16 volts. This battery reads a similar 12.18 volts. Which one is defective? Both of these batteries were purchased in 2016, and note that Toyota Priuses, Chevy Volts, and even Teslas have standard car batteries under their hood to run electronics. Any battery that's 3 to 5 years old, depending on its usage and temperatures, is going to need replacement. And if you don't replace a battery, when you start your car on an ICE car, internal combustion, you're going to pull the life out of a bad battery. The alternator is going to try to charge that up and overcharge. And if you have light bulbs on, you're going to be burning out the light bulbs in your car and the headlights, brake lights. So this is a load tester, just $19, made by Centec. It shows our 12 volts. I flipped this spring-loaded load and it barely budges. Lots of power in that battery. I put this load tester on the other battery. We're also reading our 12 volts. I load it up and there we go. It can't hold the load. And now you know.